Hi everyone, touch the leg. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to unboxing the waterproof case for the GoPro 8. So this is how I'm going to show you guys how it works. Alright, let's open it. Okay, number one, it comes with this mount. Oh, one more here. Very nice. Okay. Wow, fantastic. Wow, it looks very fancy. This quality is very nice, I think. Okay, this is looks very nice. Okay, we're going to open it and how it works. So you can put this one here and it's good. I think this is the power button and this is the record button. Alright, so we're gonna open it, how it looks like. Okay. Wow. Yeah, it's very tight. I'm happy for that, actually it's good. Alright, so we're gonna put this one in. And we're gonna close it. Okay, I love it, man. Beautiful. So we're gonna try how it works. Okay, we're gonna turn on the power. Yeah, it's turned on right away, as you can see here. Very good. Okay, so we're gonna test with the record. We're gonna push the record button right here. Yep. So you see the blinking here. Yep. The battery life and the memory space, everything you can see from here. I love it. I love it. I love how they built and how they designed it and the quality. Alright guys, so this is pretty much how it works. Alright guys, so I have another here to unboxing. You're gonna see what's this. Okay. So this is the anti-filter. Yeah. Alright guys, so this is pretty much how to set up. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't. And make sure you hit the thumbs up and don't forget to leave the comment below. I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for your watching.